Welcome to Intellify, Macroeconomics Class 12, National Income and Related Aggregates. Let's discuss the topic. What is the national income? National income is equal to the value of goods plus the value of service plus net factor income from abroad. It is the total sum of the value of all the final goods and services produced in an economy during 1 year. All goods and services are measured in terms of money. It includes the net factor income from abroad. Now, I think you all are confused that what is the meaning of factor income and what is factor income from abroad. So to understand the concept in a better manner, let's discuss further. Factor income or payment. Factor payments are rewards received by owners of factors of production like land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship from industries abroad. They may be in form of employee compensation, profit, interest or rent. The people residing in India also give factor payments for using factors of production owned by people abroad like payment for importing goods, use of foreign technology, etc. Net factor income from abroad, NFIA. It is the difference between factor income received abroad by residents of a country and the factor payments made by the residents of a country for factor services that are rendered by non-residents. There are three methods of calculating national income. They are A. Income method, B. Expenditure method, and C. Value added method or product method or output method. I hope your doubts are cleared. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more such informative videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.